Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can change the theme for the Opera GX web browser. So without further ado, let us get started. So open Opera GX on your computer, be it on your PC or laptop. And here on your home screen, simply head over to your browser settings by clicking on that gear icon here on the very left-hand side. So once you're in your browser settings, scroll down a bit till you get to that section here called GX. Below you will see a list of preset themes you may use, for example GX Classic theme or Ultraviolet, Sub-Zero, and so on and so forth. So you may choose any of these here or simply click on that arrow to the right icon to scroll or to browse through these themes. Alternatively guys, you may switch from a dark theme, as you can see it is the current default theme for me, to a light theme, all to auto and back to dark. If you'd like to use a custom theme, simply click on configuration here in the top right corner and choose a primary color, a primary light color, a secondary color, and so on and so forth, and simply set your preferred custom theme. You may go a bit more in depth by selecting or by turning on advanced configuration here in the top right corner and even adjust things like, for instance, the saturation, the lightness, and the hue for each color of your theme. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.